Hey guys, Paul here. Hey, I'm working on something, and I'm going to show you kind of the gist of it, or the actual work part of it. What I'm going to try to do during the break is I'm going to try to I'll probably create a site, and on that site I'll have like some help for this. What I'm doing is I'm just going to attach YouTube videos, math antics, maybe even me working through. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I think I found hopefully can find a path from math. Now this is an option. Okay, if you're working in your core, you're plugging along, you're fine. The way I'm going to use this is literally as when you work on these, if you finish these, I'll give you a point in your math. Okay, so there's like 52 of them. So if you do all of them, I mean, you could literally do this as really your course. And if you decide to do that, let me know, because that's definitely something. I think it's something of value. What it is basically just it's teaching you the math as the language. Okay, it's helping you through that process. That's what I've came to realize is my weakness in doing math. I think I can do it. I just struggle with the language of math, and by that, when they start talking like integers, linears, all those different things, it just kind of throws me. So I'm going to be working through it with you as we go. This is the first part of it, but I'll work through this. This will get you through. Okay, eventually, like I said, I want to attach YouTube videos, me working through it. Guys, I mean, you guys have been awesome. I had a great year. I'm really liking how the Zoom meetings and stuff have been kind of coming together. If you haven't been a part of that, I'm going to try to up the ante on that a little bit, make it more firm in how I establish it, get it set up. I'm also going to have periods, and I'm going to record them, and we're going to try to do some things. That's my project this summer, is to figure out a way for you guys to get math. Once you get math, everything else is easy. What this is Study Island. Okay, to get to Study Island, it's pretty simple. Okay, you can go through your Clever. One way to go through your Clever is when you go to your Google account, is you go right here, click Clever. Now mine's going to look a little different just because it's the teacher version, so don't panic, but it should give you the same. Let me see if you got it in your upper level. You do. You just click right there on Study Island, and that'll take you right there. Okay, now like I told you before, remember there's a little bit of problems with Study Island because we're so big, it overwhelms, so this is a little bit different site sometimes. So make sure if it takes you to the Study Island login, make sure you go to school, put that information in. I always recommend going through Clever. It helps in really everything. So I'm going to put my son in here. I've enrolled him in it. I'm just going to log in as him. Okay. Now here's some of the stuff he's done. What you need to do is you need to go to my classes, and I set you guys up because I think each of you guys are rock stars. And disregard all the 5th grade, all that other stuff you see on there. You're not going to see that. But you're going to come down there to the Math Rockstars Paul McCord. You're going to click on that. Okay. Here's your lessons. They're not really in any order. It's just kind of one of the fails of Study Island. It's kind of as I last accessed them is kind of how they show it. But they're on there. Okay. All you need to do, like start at Math Lesson 1. You're going to go Math Lesson 1, and it's pretty simple. It's just Study Island. Okay. For scientific notation, you're just going to click on it, and actually we're going to continue. There's a lesson when you do that, and some of you have been there, some of you haven't. The lesson's right there. Okay, it's not bad. It just kind of gives you the gist of it. There's some videos on there to watch. Okay, makes it fairly simple. You go back, and then here we're going to click on the continue button. Okay, and then we're in there. Okay, so I've worked through 8 of them. I've got 5 out of 7. I got to keep going. You're going to work through the problems. I'm going to try to work through this. Like I said, I'm going to try to work through some of these problems with you. Okay, I don't know if I'll get out my first one today, but I'm definitely going to do that. This is what we're going to do. Once we get back on Christmas, we can do this. I'm going to set up a regular time. It'll probably be Monday. I'm looking at Monday at 9 because I know some of you work. I'm going to record it and try to put that up on the website so you have access to it. But after you just come in here and get it. And I think it'd have a set so you can just get 6 out of 10. Okay, I've mastered, and that'll give you the blue ribbon. Maybe it might be 7 out of 10 still. I'm not sure about that, but you get your blue ribbon and you go on. Take your time. Okay, Google it. My focus is going to be a little bit different than Math Annex. Math Annex is going to teach you the math. I'm going to try to show you how to do it with Mathway and some of those other programs we have. I might even try to break out the calculator, learn a calculator. I know there's going to be a calculator rental deal that's coming. Hopefully that'll be out before Christmas. We'll get each of you guys calculators, guys and ladies. But like I said, this is it's not mandatory, but it's there for you. If you want to work through your core, I'm fine with that. If you want to do this, it's possible to get through with just this. Okay, and I'll get you a grade. I don't really care. Some of you in Algebra 2, some of you in geometry. Math is math, and if you don't have it and you're struggling, I just want to give you a path where if you're struggling, this is a place you can go and you get math done and get it accomplished. And we'll go from there. I'll learn it, you'll learn it. We'll move forward together. Anyway, hey, you guys have a great holiday. Just kind of reminder, today is the 10th. I'm going to be out of country next week. So I don't think you'll be able to get hold of me. If you can, it'll be a surprise to me. I've been told no email, no phone for a week. I don't know how I'll make it, but I'll make it. But so I won't be available. But once Christmas starts, I'll get back. I definitely want you, I don't care, take a little bit of a Christmas break, a couple hours. No, it takes several, take a little bit of time, but also use this time to get caught back up if you are behind. Okay? Hey, like I said, I named you guys Rockstars because you guys are Rockstars. Have easy. If you have any questions, text me. I'll be here for a few days. I should have internet for and maybe even cell phone till I'm thinking Monday. Okay, at that point in time, it'll probably log off and you won't get a hold of me. That's what we're thinking. But yeah, shoot me some questions. I'll get to you when I can. It's going to be really hectic for me. But definitely after Christmas, I'll be available to help you. Like I said, if you're behind, we can work through Christmas and get you caught back up. Hey, you guys take it easy. We'll see you later. Have a great Christmas. And I'm going to send some other videos out. Okay, I'll probably send one out to everybody, but you're my senior class. I just want to show you this math deal, but I'll explain the being gone and stuff like that. But I'm going to send this out to you. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.